When do men fall in love? They fall in love when they're not with you. So that brings us to today's topic, how to make a man miss you like crazy, the secret. Right after this. I'm Mike Goldstein of Easy Dating Coach, here to help the people I love fall in love. How to make a man miss you like crazy. I want to make this so freaking simple that every single woman can execute this. And this is so important. How to make him miss you like crazy. Do nothing. When you are not with him, I want you to do nothing. Absolutely nothing. Do not text him. Do not call him. No smoke signals. No pictures where you look sexy. None of it. None of that is going to work. You want him to authentically miss you and show up for you, right? So we can create, and other coaches out there will sell you some crap that will make him contact you, make him, quote unquote, maybe miss you. It's not real. And if he comes back, if you get another date from that guy, why do you want it? We need to shift our mindset that we only want attention from a man that is dying to have your attention. We only, let me repeat that. Sam, put that on the screen, please. We only want the attention of a man that is dying for your attention. And so this is so vital. In between date 1, 2, 3, 6, make sure you do nothing between dates. A guy that is serious and interested in you is going to find a way to ask you out. A guy that's lukewarm about you, he's not going to ask you out. And that's great. Talk about this all the time. Men sit in 3 buckets. We got yes men, we got no men, we got maybe men. If they are yes, meaning they are all about you, it's a hard yes, like this is my woman, that's the guy we want. The guy that's a no, goodbye. The maybe guy, let's hope he disappears. Or let's see if he makes a decision. Maybe the maybe guy, which is fine, maybe he's a maybe on date 2, which is perfectly normal. He wants to go on date 3 to see if it turns into a yes. Or it's like, it's a really Luke maybe. He turns it into, I don't want to see her again. He doesn't text you, call you. Cool. As long as he doesn't send maybe in 3 months, 6 months, we're fine with that. But in the early stages, up to date 6, he can be in maybe. After date 6, we want him in a yes or a no. Because he's had enough of a sample size of 6 dates to start going a certain direction. What we know from studies is that men typically know who they're going to fall in love with by date 2 on average. So let's get the guy that's coming after you like crazy. And let's not give him an out so we get no information. Let's not text him, call him, and now all of a sudden we're going on a date because maybe we did something. No, do nothing. Let's get information to see if he's into you. Do me a favor, go in the comments. Let me know if you are all in. Do that like emoji with the hands up and the like, ooh, I'm in. That emoji. Yeah, Mike, I'm in. We're going to do it. We're going to do nothing. And it should be hands up because this is the best advice ever. You don't have to do anything. This is probably my favorite video of all time. I love when I get to tell people, don't do anything. Nothing. Like, Mike, no problem. I can do nothing. Yeah, and guess what? When you do nothing, you're going to get massively better results. So let's go. All right, Sam, spin the wheel. Hook them up with a free gift. Guys, it'll be in the comments, in the description if you want it. Probably may have to do something with this advice, but it won't be too difficult because this is Easy Dating Coach. And you're talking to Mike Goldstein. We want things simple and easy. Whew. All right, please don't forget to hit like and leave me a comment with any of your questions. Did you know that I read pretty much every question and try to answer most of them? So I'll probably answer yours. All right. Love you guys. Video there and there. See you next time.